In case you have been tracking the stock market, I am sure you have observed that so many companies out there have declared a bonus issue, and all of these are big blue chip trustworthy companies. To name a few, Reliance declared a bonus issue, Wipro did a bonus issue, so did Ashok Leyland very recently, Nestle did a bonus issue, and HDFC Bank is coming up with a bonus issue right now as we speak. But what exactly is a bonus issue and how does it work? A bonus issue is a special issue of shares, and in this case the company does not collect any cash from you like it would do in an initial public offer. Suppose a company comes up with an IPO, they will actually collect cash from you and issue shares in exchange, and then you become owners of the company. Okay. But if we are talking about a bonus issue, it works differently. A bonus is basically a free issue of shares, which means the company does not charge any, it does not ask you to pay any cash for the issue of shares, but in proportion to the shares that you are already holding, the company issues some shares to you in addition to the shares that you already hold. For example, Reliance did a 1:1 bonus issue. On that date, if I had 20 shares that I was already holding, a 1:1 bonus issue would mean that I would get one share free for every one share that I am currently holding. That is the basic idea behind a bonus issue. Now, basically, this is also called as capitalization of reserves. So, whenever a company issues a bonus of shares, what it does is, as I told you, this is a free issue. The company does not collect any cash from shareholders, but it has some securities premium or share premium that has already been recorded by the company. It uses this securities premium to issue free shares to you. So, securities premium, which was basically collected from you in the past, is now being used to issue free shares to you. So, the company records an accounting entry, share premium account debit to equity share capital. There is absolutely no cash movement. What happens is, from the securities premium an amount gets subtracted and the same amount gets added to equity share capital. Now, after a bonus issue, the total value of the company remains the same. It is just that the number of shares increases. So, earlier if you had 1 lakh upon 100 and 1000 being the value per share, now with a bonus issue against those 100 shares you have received another 100 shares. So, the value per share now becomes 1 lakh upon 200 and you get a value of 500 per share. So, as the number of shares doubles, the value per share becomes half. Now, it is not necessary that you will see this play out exactly like in this same proportion in real life, but that is the basic idea behind how a bonus issue actually works. Now, as I told you, HDFC Bank, Reliance India, Wipro, Nestle, Ashok Leyland, so many companies came up with a bonus issue, and there are some more bonus issues lined up for the future. Do you know any of these? Please let us know in the comment section.